Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best car wash electric spin scrubber on the market, the PFYPTU electric spin scrubber. If you're tired of scrubbing your car by hand and want a powerful, cordless solution that makes cleaning effortless, this is the tool you've been waiting for. This electric spin scrubber stands out with its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities. It comes with 8 different brush heads, designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your vehicle, from tires and rims to upholstery and dashboards. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grime on your car's exterior or dirt embedded in your seats, this scrubber adapts to the task with ease. One of the key features is the adjustable long handle, which extends from 16.5 inches all the way up to 55.1 inches. This means you can comfortably reach every part of your car without bending or straining your back. The ergonomic design ensures you maintain control while cleaning, making long scrubbing sessions less tiring. Powered by a robust 25-watt motor, this scrubber delivers 12 to 15 kilograms of torque, providing the muscle needed to break down tough dirt and stains. Plus, with 2 adjustable speeds, you can choose between a gentle clean for delicate surfaces or a more intense scrub for heavy-duty dirt. The digital display makes it simple to monitor your current speed and battery level, so you're never caught off guard. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning on low speed and about 80 minutes on high speed. That means you can clean your entire car without needing to stop and recharge frequently. And when it's time to power up, the included charging line makes the process quick and convenient. Durability is another strong suit here. The scrubber has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it's safe to use in wet conditions without worrying about damage. So whether you're washing your car in the driveway or scrubbing the bathroom tiles, this scrubber stands up to the task. The brush heads themselves are designed for a variety of surfaces. You get round brushes for detailed cleaning, flat brushes for larger areas, and corner brushes that reach tight spots. This variety ensures a thorough clean every time, without needing multiple separate tools. Overall, the PFYPTU electric spin scrubber combines power, versatility, and convenience in a compact, cordless design. It's perfect for car enthusiasts who want to maintain a pristine vehicle with less effort, as well as for anyone looking to speed up their cleaning routine. If you're ready to upgrade your car wash game, this spin scrubber is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.